Here's another example. While the company grows enterprise valuation from 100 to 180, we pay down the debt from 50 to 25, generating $105 million of total equity value and a gross multiple of 3.1x. The average equity ratio tells us that the unlevered share of that return is $54.4 million, and the average equity ratio change gives us a leverage effect of 50.6. As with the other levered deals, the equity ratio works to decrease the EBITDA growth in multiple expansion terms, while the debt ratio works to increase gearing share of the enterprise valuation change. The net debt change gives us cash flow generation of positive 25, and when you add up the value drivers, you get the total equity return of 105. Now, the net debt change, it might have come from principal payments, or it may be the accumulation of cash on the company's balance sheet. Either way, that's capital that could have been distributed to shareholders, so I think of it as a delayed equity distribution that shareholders get on the last day of a deal. It's something that a GP should usually get credit for. When cash flow generation is negative, it's kind of like a delayed follow-on investment that was required to maintain the company's enterprise valuation. And you could give the GP credit or blame for that as well.